Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so this tutorial we're actually going to mask in the sky. And the way we do that is we go down to our vector mask or layer mask icon over here on our layers palette, as you can see, and you want to click it. And then you're going to get this white dialog box that comes up over here on your layer, your top layer. And you want to get your brush and you want it to be at 100% opacity, and you want to make sure that the color over here that is selected is black. Okay, so now that we have black, we want to make our brush a little bit bigger at 100%, and you want to make sure that the brush is, the hardness is down. So we can make like 20%. So now all you have to simply do is just paint in, as you can see I'm doing. And obviously we're not going to be changing color on the grass. Reason being, the only color we changed earlier was blue. So that is the only thing that's going to be masked in is the blue. As you can see, it's not changing anything else. It's just changing the blue. So you don't have to worry about changing you don't have to be so precise with your masking here. You can just simply go over everything just like that. So anywhere where you can see a blue sky, you want to go over it. Maybe even over here on this side of this metal. And we're just giving this picture a totally different look, as you can tell. Okay, so basically that's the way you mask in the sky. And as you can tell, it looks pretty cool, and I'm going to keep it like this. And we're going to move on.